So it's early November here in Eastern Ontario, and we just got the cover on the trailer in time for the first snow of the season. But a few weeks ago, we were doing our end of season inspection, and we discovered something a little bit unusual. The tire on the front axle on the passenger side was wearing really unevenly, wearing much quicker than the other three tires and wearing on the outside edge. So we did some measuring, and the distance from the wall of the tire to the frame on the front and the wall of the tire to the frame on the back was about 1/8 of an inch difference. And that indicated to us, the tire's not going down the road straight, and we might have a bent axle. We are Terry and Cindy O'Keefe, and we've been camping together for more than 40 years. And we invite you to join us as we share our latest RVing experiences and adventures. Now, our trailer has Dexter torsion flex axles, which we have really liked. They provide a really smooth ride, and we've also found this trailer has a lot less sway than some of the others that we have towed with traditional axles. And so we reached out to Dexter and sent them some pictures of the tire wear and some of the measurements, and they agreed to send us a brand new axle with hubs, which was absolutely fantastic. We would simply be responsible for getting it installed. It took Dexter less than 3 weeks to manufacture the axle, and they contacted us and said it was being shipped to our repair facility. So the new axle arrived less than a week, which was great service from Dexter. And we're here at Trailer Country. They're going to swap it out for us. The next day, the trailer was ready to go. Total cost, 2 hours labor. So this is the tire that was wearing oddly because of that bent axle. And sorry for the shadows here, but you can see the tread is much deeper here on the inside of the tire. There's lots of tread left on the shoulder. On this side, the tread on the shoulder is already wearing away. And this is not near as deep as the other side. So since we had the axle replaced on the trailer, we did have some unusual tire wear on one side. We're going to replace both the tires from that axle. One good thing that's going to let us do is it'll give us a spare for our trip. And the other thing it's going to let us do is replace the spare tire on the back of the trailer. And you might be wondering why we're going to replace a brand new spare tire on the back of the trailer that's never been used. But it's because Rockwood, while they put Goodyear tires on the trailer, which is fantastic, they're an excellent tire, they put Castle Rock on for a spare. Doesn't exactly have the best reputation. I don't have a lot of faith in them. And so having a Goodyear back here, even if it is one that's got some miles on it, I'd prefer that to this to the Castle Rock. And just one other thing to keep in mind about your the spare tire on the back of the trailer. This is the lug wrench we need to take the wheels off the trailer. It's a 19 millimeter. It doesn't fit the nuts that are holding this on. It takes the 13/16. So the new axle and tires are installed. The new used spare tire is mounted. And we even had the repair shop service the rear axle bearings and brakes when they had the trailer. So we're ready for spring and our next big adventure, heading to Newfoundland and Labrador. And we just want to leave you with one final thought here. We are really glad we discovered this now, and we were able to get this repaired now and not have to deal with it in the spring when we're prepping for that trip, or worse, not discover it until we're on the road and something goes wrong. And so just wanted to say that at the end of every camping season, it's a great idea to give your rig a very thorough inspection so that you can identify any issues and make a plan to deal with them. If you found this video helpful, please hit those like and subscribe buttons. It does help us to grow the channel. And thank you for watching.